How to update your DJI Action 6. Step number one is obviously to turn on the camera. Then you need to take your phone that has the DJI app that you have paired. It will detect your camera, press join. And usually when there's an update, it will be presented to you automatically, but sometimes for some people it's not the way it is. You have to do it manually. You're going to tap on profile. And from here, you're going to go down and select About. Check for firmware update. Make sure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. And if there is a version available, you're going to see it appearing and you'll be able to click to install it. Make sure, first of all, that you have a fast enough Wi-Fi. I mean, it doesn't have to be super quick, but if it's too slow, the update may be canceled during the download phase. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.